Salam. Today, we will be studying Chapter 2, 2.3, Class 11 Statistics, according to PTB syllabus. Let's start by learning tabulation. The process of making tables or arranging data into rows and columns is called tabulation. Dear students, remember that tabulation may be simple, double, triple, or complex depending on the number of characteristics. For example, if we have one characteristic in consideration, it is called simple tabulation, double if we have two variables, triple if there are three characteristics, and complex if there are multiple variables that are correlated. Now, here is a fun and easy concept to understand. Construction of tables. The following are the parts of a table: title, column caption or box head, row caption or tab, body of table or arrangement of data, number 5, source note, number 6, spacing or ruling, and finally, prefatory notes or footnotes. Out of all these, the first four parts are essential for any table. Let's understand each separately. The title is the heading at the top. It is brief and describes the content of the table. Green color represents column caption. The headings of columns are called column caption, and each part of column caption is called box head. Similarly, the headings of rows are called row caption and each part of row caption is called stub. Column and row captions must be brief and clear. Now, the entries in different cells of rows and columns are called body of table. The body is the main part of the table. The data may be arranged qualitatively, quantitatively, chronologically, geographically, or alphabetically in the table. Source indicates the compiling agency or publication, etc., from where the data is taken. Prefatory and footnotes are not essential but have their significance. Prefatory notes are given after the title to explain the content of the table, and footnotes are given at the end and indicated by asterisk sign. Lastly, spacing and ruling. Spacing or ruling is used to increase the effectiveness of the table. Thick or double lines are used to separate row and column captions. To indicate no entry in a cell, dots or dashes are used, not zeros. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe.